In the context of if you're wanting to use the Oracle workloads, absolutely, this is the way you need to go. For non-Oracle workloads, again, no problems with that at all. But from Fujitsu's point of view and where it sits on our Intel platform, it was kind of a no-brainer. We specifically built it with Oracle in mind, and therefore using the Oracle VM and Oracle Linux was the way forward. Hi, I'm Ian Leath, the Oracle practice for EMEA CTO. Work for Fujitsu. We covered all aspects of IT for enterprise, from infrastructure through to applications and managed service. So at Fujitsu, I work for the business applications services. We cover anything around enterprise solutions, enterprise infrastructure and architecture, anything that will aid them in their business process. In my role at Fujitsu, I oversee all of the Oracle architects. So anyone solution owners, covering from infrastructure to applications and all the bits in between. So all architects and solution owners report into me. So our Fujitsu's Oracle Intel platform specifically been designed with Oracle in mind, using Oracle VM, Oracle Linux. This specifically for our customers who wanting to use Oracle product, applications, databases. And we've designed in a way so we get the best possible performance from the applications and databases on our engineered system. Oracle Linux specifically is the K-Splice allows us, we have organizations on that minimum downtime is what we're looking for. So we're able to apply patches, hot patching, so to speak, at any time. Once we've proven they're tested, ready to go, we don't need to then take downtime to apply those. So we've got a shared service platform that have multiple organizations sat on that platform. So to plan in downtime across those different organizations, it becomes more and more difficult. The more organizations we get onto the platform, the less white space, so to speak, is available. So K-Splice allows us then to do those patching hot without the downtime. So that for us is quite a key. Also with the virtualization, Oracle VM allows us to get the best performance for our Oracle applications and database solutions. So we know it's proven to be more performant with Oracle applications, so we get the best performance out of it on our platform. What it's allowed us to do is, initially we've allowed to develop an Intel platform specifically for Oracle. So it's geared for, and what's most important for us is around, it comes across as for licensing. So it's very difficult sometimes. You can maybe build a platform that is optimal, but actually when you apply Oracle licenses across that platform, it isn't the most economical. So all of our platform, Intel platform for this has been optimized towards what Oracle solutions are going to be running on it and how they're going to run on it to get both most best performance, but also economical for our customers. What we experience is the stability is key. What we can't take into account with customers is how they're going to then want to use the platform once we've installed it, once we've got different solutions running on that platform. We don't have any problems with Oracle technical support. Our guys can normally resolve most of the issues themselves, but when we do require help further, we have direct contact with Oracle, and the turnaround is what we'd expect. The key for us with our engineered systems is specifically how quickly and how easily it is to plug in and play, so to speak, with the solution. We've got the system, our platform's in place within a couple of weeks, then another week or so to get everything up and running with the virtualizations, and then Oracle Linux with all the solutions and applications on top of that is all end-to-end will take us between 3 and 5 weeks, depending on the install. There's a gap for the type of Intel platform that we're now providing from an Oracle perspective. A lot of the platforms we have We have our own cloud at Fujitsu, our K5, which is not geared towards Oracle specifically because of the licensing implications. So we knew there was a requirement and a need for a quick, economical, engineered system that the customers can either sit in their own data centers or we'll place it in our data centers and manage the service that way. With Oracle VM and Oracle Linux, it then allows us then to scale up, scale out as and when the customers want their requirements grow, their enterprises grow, or requirements change over time. And it could be an easy path for them to then move from on-premise to cloud, or they may want to bring cloud themselves on-premise. So it's the perfect step for them to, if they're not quite ready to go to the bigger move to the cloud, they might never want to go to the cloud, but they want to control their security, data integrity, and all that kind of the features that they're after as an organization that they may want to go one way, may not want to go the other. This fits that platform at that point. For us to work with any vendor, it's the support and ongoing roadmap with that vendor. We need to understand where it's going, where it's going to end up in the next 1 to 2 years, as well as then 3 to 4 years. We also need to be able to work closely with them to almost guide that roadmap from our experience and be able to have input into it as well, which is key with any partner and vendor. So if that's the way you're going, if you're looking to use Oracle applications, Oracle database, I would definitely recommend using the OVM and Oracle Linux. What we found moving from Oracle Linux 6 to Oracle Linux 7 is the whole interfacing with the application, and the fact that the operating has all changed, all the commands have changed. So you need to be aware that there's some kind of training, some kind of handover required for your technical guys. Ours are now going through the understanding of different ways of interacting with it has changed. So bear that in mind. We have a use case of a shared platform that we have one organisation, large organisation, sat on our Intel platform with, and virtualization allows us to then grow out for when we get more and more organisations on. We've just added another huge organisation, DHL. They are now sat on that shared platform along with another organisation. That hasn't impacted it in the least. We're able to scale out and scale up with that organisation. That organisation themselves, DHL, that specific program could grow and grow. So it allows us that flexibility to grow that whichever way. If that organisation, their business case grows and that becomes bigger and bigger, then the platform can scale out to that. And it also allows us to add in more organisations on the same platform with one overview of managing. So for us as an organisation, we can manage that service from a single point with multiple organisations using it with no impact on each other. Because it's specifically built for Oracle, with Oracle applications and Oracle solutions in mind, we have a standard pricing. So we have a standard way of working. We can standard price, standard cost for each organisation. That allows us to save time, save effort in both bid and obviously new requirements come along for each organisation. We know exactly what it takes to add to that solution, to add to that platform. So the saving for us is we can feed back quickly to grow and respond back on new requirements. It performs perfectly for what we require it to do. There are obviously certain issues that highlighted in the way it's been the next version, but that's not the product itself, that's just the usability of it. So we would rate the Oracle OVM and Oracle Linux at probably 8 to 9.